Hello everyone and welcome to Source. In this video again we will be continuing of our discussion with respect to the question pertaining to the quantitative aptitude section of the paper. So the if we talk about the section in general, the quantitative aptitude section that we have seen come this year, we haven't seen any significant changes as far as the examinations are concerned. The questions that were asked are more or less of the previous kinds as well. So the ones that we have already expected to appear in this examination, and we have already seen them come across multiple years of the examination as well. But having said that, one thing should be kept in mind that although the paper might seem, what to say, no, the pattern of the same might seem unexpected, but the question were kind of calculation intensive. That is, they were a little bit they involved a little bit more calculation. So that in turn would make the entire section and the paper a bit more complex. So having said that, we'll focus on the kind of question that basically came in the examination, basically the wrong number series kind of questions. Okay, so we'll try and discuss this so that we can get a general idea on how to go about solving the same. So having said that, let's focus on the question at hand. Say find the wrong number in the given series below. Okay, so let's start off with number 18. 18 119 708 3534 14136 and 42405. Okay, so these are our numbers. So now we need to actually find the wrong number in this series. So as we can see, the series are exponentially increasing. So one thing is to be sure that some kind of factor would be multiplied to the same. Okay, so that being said, let's focus on 18 to 119. So how can we get 119 from 18? So 18 7 ja, if we do 56 126 126 minus 7 119. Okay, we can do one thing. From here to here, we can actually do 18 into 7 minus 7. Okay, 119 we can actually attain. Now let's try and get this. So we have 8 over here. 119 into 8, 708. So 119, if we go 197, okay, the value will be very more. 119 into 6, if we go, then it comes out to be 54 6 1 just 6 1 6 7, yeah, into 6 minus 6 into 6 minus 6. Okay, so yes, we can see a certain kind of pattern over here, right? We can see a certain pattern. Now from 708 to 6, we'll multiply this by 5. So 40 3540 3540 minus 5 3535. Okay, so here we see an error. This number should have been 3535. Okay, so this is what the number that should have been, 3535. So now if we further extend, let's start off with 3535 now, since I'm assuming this number to be a wrong one. So from 3535, let me multiply this by 4. So 3535 into 4, 20. So if we go through the same, 3535 into 4, 1 to 4, 6. What was it? 20, 20 minus 4, 6. 12, 13, yes, correct. 13, 15, 60. Yes, yes, it stays comes out to be correct only. So it will be 4 minus 4. Yes, and similarly, if we further calculate the same, minus 4, this will be into 3 minus 3. So yes, this term is the wrong term over here, 3534. So option 2 is a wrong, basically the wrong number in the series. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Having said that, let's move on to the next question, number 19. 5, 7.5, 11.25, 29.75, 50, followed by 91.25. 25. Okay, so these are our numbers. Did I miss any? Oh yes, I did miss 17. 17.5, 29.75, 50 and 91.25. Okay, so here we can see the differences are not much actually. Initially 2.5 followed by 3.75. So let's just go with the differences first. So here if we add plus 2.5, here to here it's 3.75 plus, here to here it is plus 6.25, here to here it comes out to be 11.25 plus, here to here 15 plus 21.25, and finally here to here it comes out to be plus 41.25. So we don't see any kind of pattern in the difference. So let's extend the same further. So what we can actually get from here to here, it is 1.25. Let's go with double difference of the same. From here to here it is 2.5, 5, this comes out to be 10, this comes out to be plus 20. So do we see any kind of pattern here? Yes, we actually see a pattern. Each and every number is basically double the same. Okay, so double the same. Let me just do one thing. Hang on, I think I might plus 11.25. It should have been 11.25, right? 29, 28.75. Okay, yes, this number. Hang on. What's given is 29.75. Now you notice one thing, okay? This is the pattern that has been followed into 2, into 2, into 2 and into 2, okay? If we go through the same, then this value, this value and this value remain constant. Now all we need to check is where it satisfies. So if we look at this particular value, okay, 5 plus 2.5 is 7.5, 3.5 is this much, but this particular value, if we further consider the same, so this comes out to be 28.75. So if it is 28.75, the value is satisfied. The entire thing is basically satisfied. So our wrong value would be simply 29.75. So this was a very what to say, complex kind of a question. We need to go and solve it for 3 particular steps. Okay. Now, having said that, let's move further in question number 20. So 20, what we have is 35, 118, 280, 600, 1238, 2504 and 5036. Okay, so again 35 to 118 to 118, there's no it's not the, basically we can actually go with the plus or minus difference only. This come out to be 83, this would come out to be 162. Okay, we can see a pattern here. This is into 2. Okay, so that way it should be another into 2. So here it should be, if we go with into 2, if I suppose, then this particular value should be, what can you say, 620, 280 and 3. Hang on, not 80 to 86, 80 to minus 4 into 2 minus 4. Similarly, if we further go from here to here, 280 to 360, it would come out to be 320. Into 2 would come out to be 364 or 324 into 2 minus 4. Yes, being satisfied. If we further go from here to here, it comes out to be 636. Okay, so if we go into 2, it will come out to be, if we go into 2 over here with this one, so it will come out to be 640 minus 4, 636 into 2 minus 4, 636. Okay, 636 is here. So yes, this equation is actually getting. So if we go add 636, this 636 to 600, what we have is 1, 2, 3 and 6. Did you write this again? This would actually be 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, so this number is actually a wrong one. Okay, so now if we go forward with 1, 2, 3, 6, we can actually try and correct the same as 1, 2, 6, 8. From 1 to 6, I am using this number again into 2, so 6, 36, 36 being 72, 72 minus 4, 68. Yes, into 2 minus 4. From here to here, it would come out to be 2532. Again into 2 minus 4. So yes, this value actually satisfied the condition. So 1238 is the wrong answer, or the incorrect term in the series. Okay, I hope this is clear. Go to 21. 21 is 7, 4, 5, 9, 20, 51, 160.5. Okay, so here this is a very unique kind of a question actually. Here you can see 7 to 1, so it's 3. So 3 can be written as 7 by 2 is 3.5 plus half. Hang on, 7 to 4. If I go from 7 to 4, so 3.5 plus half. Yeah, so this can be half plus half. This can be 1 into 1 plus 1. This one, so into 1.5 plus 1.5. So yes, that way you can get 9. From 9, hang on, let me just write it in the proper way so the things are a little bit clearer to understand. Okay, this will be 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. This will be into 1 plus 1. This is 1.5. 1.5 can be written as 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. We can write this can be written as into 2 plus 2. Now 20 into 2.5. So it should be 20 to 2.5 should be 50. 50 plus 2.5. It should be 52.5. This is 51. 2.5 is 5 by 2 into 5 by 2. Okay, so 51.5. Again, this will simply be into 3 plus 3. So this is the wrong term. 51 is the wrong term here. I hope this is clear so far. And finally, let's take a look at number 22. 22 is nothing but 1788, 892, 444, 220, 112, 52 and 24. Okay, so 788. So if we divide this by 2, it would come out to be 16, 9 and 4. Yes, 894. From here to here, it will be divided by 2 minus 2. Okay, from here 4, 9, we have 9, 4, 8, 6. Yes, divided by 2 minus 2, it comes out to 446. 2 minus 2, yes, again satisfied. 2 minus 2, this would be 110. Okay, here is the error. 110 divided by 2 minus 2 should have been 110 minus 2, 108. This please. Okay, let's consider 100 and see, proceed further. 54 minus 2, 52, yes, satisfied. And 52, 26 minus 2, 24, satisfied. So this is the 112 is the wrong term. So I hope this is clear to you how we solved each and every question in general. So one thing to be kept in mind, if the difference between the numbers or the numbers that you see in a series are seen to be rise exponentially, then you can actually go ahead and use the operations like multiply and division. Subsequently, that should more or less in every case should work. And in case you don't get anything in the first stage of your operation, then keep performing the operation for at least one or two more stages. You must see a pattern for that as well. And also, if for any kind of equation you can easily get a term associated with the plus, the difference between them is less, then you can actually look forward for the plus minus operation as well. Except for this case was actually we could easily identify by taking consideration into this term. So 5 into 2 minus 1 is 10, 9 into 2 minus 2 is 20. So we could have used this one just for a general knowledge, and we use this kind of operation as well. So I hope everything is clear to you. In case you are having any kind of difficulty with understanding the same, I suggest you go through the video multiple times so that you can get yourself acquainted with the kind of question we solved and get a general idea towards the solution of the same. Now, with all that said and done, in case you are looking to get yourself a fully detailed solution of the question paper itself, I suggest you look us up in the description section of the video. You can actually connect with us via visiting our website. You can mail us, or you can call, text, or WhatsApp us. The medium of the same, like our numbers, our email ID, and the website link are provided in the description section of the video. So feel free to connect with us in case you need any kind of help with respect to your preparations for your any examinations, or just looking for a fully detailed solution of the paper beat for your VRC, LR, QA, DI section. Everything in general, we'll be more than happy to help you out with this. Again, I am stressing out one more thing. In case you're having any difficulty in understanding the same, go through the video multiple times, try and identify with the question the approach we have taken to solving the same, and then solve this question on your own, keeping the video as a reference, and try to practice similar question of this sort from any material notebooks of your choice. Okay. So lastly, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. We will be continuing off our discussion with respect to the similar question in the subsequent videos as well. So having said that, I'm signing out. Thank you so much.